Alright, I'm going to take this one completely white, get rid of this yellow. And so far I've got it cleaned. I know it's got a pretty good sheen on it, but that's actually a molecular bonding agent that everything's been hand wiped. I've been taping and doing this for probably close to 2 hours right now. And the same thing with this, recalking, pulling the old stuff off, but getting it wiped down right now as we speak, and then I'll jump back over to the tub and kind of knock these out together. But I'll have an update whenever everything's done. So here is the finished product. She is going to get a white coat glue down drain to go over the existing drain. If you remember, I think on the other video it had the like a switch that goes, a lever that goes right there on the overflow. Dang, I'm having problems thinking on it. Anyway, so she's gonna get just a regular lever, regular overflow, and then that way all that'll be good to go. And here is the shower. And got in the ledges all up against the window.